Hi, I'm Marcus Lau. I'm the owner and the head chef of MadHatter Desserts, and today we are in my house. We are going to be making a cheesecake that's going to take about 30 minutes or so. The most important thing is using good quality cream cheese, if you may. So we're using a good old Philadelphia cream cheese, and we want it quite soft. And here we have a little bit of mascarpone, so we're going to add some richness to it. We're going to use icing sugar here because it melts faster. We're also going to lighten it up with add a little bit of cream, right, until it's really nice and it's got a very nice consistency. We're going to add a bit of lemon, a bit of vanilla. Simple little bad boy in 30 minutes. And then this goes into the fridge. So the next part, we're going to do a very simple crumble. So we're making a very simple caramel with water. It's starting to turn a little brown on the sides. Heat goes off, chocolate goes in, sugar is very hot, and then we whisk and we watch the magic happen. And you can hear how crunchy it is. This is literally just crystallized sugar and it's covered in chocolate. And who doesn't like chocolate? A little bit of butter goes in, and salt it. We're just gonna do it the lazy way. This goes over the top. The cheese has set quite a little bit on the sides. Just a little bit of icing sugar, just a little bit of salt. There you go. That was a 30-minute cheesecake.